Good morning students. I am going to continue exercise 11.2 and fifth question is the diagonal of rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the area. It is your question number 5. Here is given the diagonals of rhombus respectively. D1 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. D1 means first diagonal 7.5 centimeter and D2 diagonal second is equal to 12 centimeter. You find out the area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus. You write down area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. That is 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 12 centimeter square. 12 is cancelled by 2, you get 6 and you multiply 7.5 by 6, you get 6 5 is 30 and 6 7 is 42 and 3 45 centimeter square. This is answer of question number 5. Clear? Just you carried it. Okay. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. That is, find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of other diagonal. In this question, you find out two answers. First, area of rhombus and second, length of the other diagonal. Here is given side means base 5 centimeter. Base of rhombus is 5 centimeter and altitude means height is 4.8 centimeter and diagonal 1 is given here 8 centimeter. You write down all the givens. D1 is equal to 8 centimeter. First of all, you find out area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus, that is equal to base into height, means 5 into 4.8 centimeter square. You get 5 8 the 40, 0 for carry, 5 for the 20 and 4 24 and decimal is placed after 1 digit. You get 24 centimeter square. It is your first answer. Then you find out the second answer by using the formula. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into product of the diagonal, means 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. You write down area of the rhombus, area of the rhombus 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. Area of the rhombus is 24 is equal to 1 upon 2 and d1 is 8. Find out d2. You cancel 8 by 2, you get 4. This means 4 d2 is equal to 24. Then d2 is equal to 24 upon 4. You get 6 centimeter. This is your second answer. Okay, just you carry it. I repeat, question number 7. We are going to solve question number 7. Question number 7. If the floor of building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm in length, find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. This means first of all you find out the area of one tile by using the diagonal formula of the rhombus, and then you multiply the area of one tile into 3000 tiles, you get area of the polishing area of the floor, and then you multiply the area polishing area of the floor by 4, you get the total cost of the polishing. Clear? Question number 7. Here is given total tiles. Total tiles is equal to 3000 and one tile diagonal of tile is equal to 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. And next is given here cost of rate of the polishing the floor is 4 rupees per meter square. Polishing rate of the floor. Polishing rate of the floor is equal to rupees 4 per meter square. It is given. First of all, you find out area of a tile is equal to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. You get 1 upon 2 into d1 is 45 and d2 is 30. When 30 is divided by 2, you get 15. And you multiply 45 by 50, you get 15 5s are 75, 7 is carry, 15 4s are 60 and 7 67, 675 centimeter square. Clear? Then you find out polishing area of the floor. Polishing area of the floor, that is equal to 675 into 3000. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, and 1 22, 2 and 3 6s are 18, and 2 20, and 3 0 is carried here, centimeter square. And then you convert this area into meter square, because rate is given rupees 4 per meter square. Then you convert this area into meter square by dividing this 10,000, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 2 5 000 upon 10,000. You get, that is meter square, you get 1 2 3 1 2 3, 0 is cancelled here, and then your answer is 202.5 meter square. Then cost of the polishing is equal to cost of the polishing floor is equal to 202.5 into 4. You get 4 5s are 20, 0 2 carry, 4 2s are 8 and 2. 8 and 2 10. 1 carry, 4 0s are 0 and 1 1, and 4 2s are 8. And you shift a decimal after one digit, you get 810 rupees. 810.00. You write down 00 rupees. This means rupees 810. It is your answer of question number 7. Just you carry it, then I will do question number 8. I love it. Question number 8, that is, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meters, find the length of the side along the river. Okay? In this question, you have given area of the trapezium shaped field and height, distance between the parallel sides. You find out the length of the side along the river. For this question, first of all you write what is given in this question. You have given area of the trapezium shaped field 10,500 meter square. Area of the field is equal to 10,500 meter square, and height, distance between two parallel sides, that is height h, is given 100 meter. 100 meter. Let, you write down, let the side of the field along road be x. Then the side of the field, then the side of the field along river side is equal to 2x. Along road side, clear? Bx, and then along the river side is 2x, because here is given the condition, the length of the side of the field along the river is twice the length of the side along the road. Clear? Okay, then you write down area of the trapezium shaped field is equal to 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides, means x plus 2x into 100. Here is given area is 10,500, that is 1/2 into 3x into 100. And when 100 is divided by 2, you get 50. This means 10,500 is equal to 150x. Then 150x is equal to 10,500. Then x is equal to 10,500 upon 150. 0 is cancelled by 0, and 15 sevens are 105, and 0 is carried here. Then x is equal to 70. X is equal to 70. Then side of the field along river is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 70, that is 140 meter. This is your answer. Okay.